Thailand's eastern seaboard, which stretches from Bangkok down alongside the Gulf of Thailand, is home to most of the country's salt production. The largest number of salt fields are within the province of Petchaburi, which has a long history of salt production that has been handed down in some families over many generations. The farms utilize seawater and the sun to harvest salt from the briny water that is channeled in from the Gulf. From the air, the fields are a stunning mosaic of blues and browns. The shallow sea water is left for around 10 days, until the sun evaporates all the water, leaving the salt to be collected and carried away in shoulder baskets to be bagged. Tourists heading to the nearby popular beaches of Cha Am or Hua Hin pass by the fields, and salt is available from countless roadside stalls. It goes well with the locally caught fresh seafood that is also a mainstay for the local people of the province. As in many countries, salt was first used in Thailand as a preservative in the days before refrigeration, but salty flavors are now an essential part of the Thai way of eating. You can explore the fishing villages, sample the catch of the day at scores of seaside restaurants, or jump on a local fishing boat tour of the Gulf and the surrounding islands.